Hello, I'm Vincent Holloway, and I want to share with you some thoughts and memories around Alicia Harvey-Smith. Quite literally, I've known Alicia all my life. We're cousins. We were very fortunate to have been born within about 3 weeks of each other, about 50 miles apart, her in Baltimore, Maryland, and me in Northern Virginia. I would tell you that Alicia's always been that person who you knew was going to be something special. And I want to describe her using some thoughts about our family that my father shared with me. My dad always told me that our family members are smart. And this is just beyond the common sense things that you learn in everyday life and understanding of the interaction between people and things. It also gets into, higher education and going off and being educated at some of the best institutions in America. Alicia went off to Morgan State, got her bachelor's. She got her master's at Johns Hopkins, and she got her doctorate degree at University of Maryland. And I remember attending the ceremony at University of Maryland, being just so proud of her for what she had achieved, being one of the few people in our family to attain a doctorate degree. The second thing my dad would tell me is we marry smart people. And I tell you, I've known Don since the early 1980s. I met him when he was at an Armor Officer Basic Course at Fort Knox. And while I questioned his smartness of getting into tanks and driving around the battlefield, I came to know him over the years, and he is definitely a smart man, if anything, for marrying Alicia. And then the third thing is success. She used to receive professional success throughout her adult life. First starting at River Valley Community College as president, then moving on to the Lone Star system in Texas, and then finally ended up at Pittsburgh Technical College and helping that institution transition from being a for-profit institution into a nonprofit institution. So she did well in all of those assignments. So I would ask you and invite you to get to know Alicia. When you meet her and you interact with her, you're going to leave away with three feelings. You're gonna sense the absolute joy that she brings to everything that she does, whether it's a sense of gratitude, a sense of innate confidence, just the joy of being in the world. You're also going to notice that she brings great passion to everything she does. She's excited about what she does. She's excited about student success, and she's excited about you. And then finally, the thing you're going to leave with is just you're going to see her energy and the energy that she brings to everything that she does, and you're going to leave there feeling more energetic yourself. So I invite you to get to know Alicia and find out more about her. And I wish her much continued success in her life.